Since the first cowboy staged a riding and roping competition in a dusty trail town more than a century ago, rodeo has been a traditional part of the American sports landscape. Whether it's a small town celebration or a spectacular event like the national finals in Las Vegas, rodeo is a uniquely American sport that appeals to more and more fans every year. Rodeo contributes to the economies of rural towns and big cities alike, and it reaches out to the people of those communities in more ways than just entertainment. Many participants in professional rodeo come from families who make their livelihood by raising and caring for animals. The close relationship between cowboy and livestock is evident in the time and money spent caring for their horses, raising and breeding livestock, and the countless hours needed to work and train closely with their animals.
Some people wonder if I'm pulling their leg or not when I say the animals love to go to rodeos. They want to do that. They know what's expected of them, want to be a part of it. If I was to park a horse trailer out in my pasture and leave the back door open, it would be full of horses. They would just come to the pasture, go into the load up in the horse trailer all by themselves, be ready to go. They don't mind it. I mean, they got to be telling stories back here in the pens behind me after the rodeo about, did you see me buck that guy off, and things like that. You can tell they enjoy what they're doing.
If I came back in another life, I would love to be a bucking horse. I wouldn't be very good to ride. I would be a nasty son of a gun. But I would work 8 seconds, maybe every second week, and eat grass, get along with all my buddies. They get to take it pretty easy. They're in one place on the weekend. We're usually at 5 or 6. It's a great life as far as I'm concerned.
The sport of rodeo continues to thrive today because the PRCA has always made animal welfare its #1 priority.